When I first started in fashion, everyone said the same thing. You gotta follow the trends, you gotta keep up with what's in. And for a while I did, but you know what? I realized one thing. Trends come and go. They fade, but skills last. What actually moves your career forward is not chasing the latest looks, but it's mastering the essential skills. And yes, in design, the most essential foundation will always be the sketching and pattern making, but if that's not your strength, don't let it stop you. What matters is developing the skills to bring your vision to life. Well, what does that mean? It means being able to communicate your ideas clearly so that others can see what you imagine. It means building relationships and collaborate. In other words, finding the right pattern makers and the right seamstresses and technical designers and so on. And project management, knowing how to move an idea from concept to finished garment. And research and sourcing, finding the right fabrics and trims and sustainable options that support your aesthetics. So if you don't have these technical skills yourself, focus on creative leadership skills that allow you to assemble a great team and manifest your ideas into reality. And that's what my book, Design Your Future, is. It's a step-by-step guide that takes you from vision, from an idea, to actually make something manifest in reality. So stop chasing and start creating, start designing. And the truth is, the most important thing you will ever design is your future. See you in class. Ciao.